do you say to yourself inside of your head? We all know if you say good things, you start feeling good. If you say bad things, you start feeling bad. If you really want to know the quality of your conversation with yourself, ask yourself this question. What do you say to yourself when you make a mistake? You got the first one.
Inaudible.
Do you say, oh, you stupid, useless idiot?
Something.
Again? You're never gonna learn. And if you go into your biology, you realize scientific research will tell you we have 50 to 60,000 conversations with ourselves every day. 50 to 60,000 conversations. The question is, what are you saying to yourself? And if you go into depth more, you realize that you say the same stuff to yourself every day. More or less, you say the same stuff. And if we talk from a biology point of view, every cell in your body is bathed in neurotransmitters, meaning every cell in your body is listening to your internal dialogue. From your thoughts, you can get diseases. You can get illnesses. What happens when you're stressed out? What happens to your body?
Becomes lethargic.
Very weak.
People get sick.
Yeah.
They got ulcers. They got stomach issues. They get spasms. Spasms can create, displacements in your spine. Right? Okay? Who works out here? Work out?
Yeah.
Come over here. I'm gonna do a little bit of boxing.
Depends on what.
Okay. He just work out.
I want you to stand facing this way, okay? Which is the most powerful hand you have, right or left? Right, okay, go up. Okay, this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna push down, okay? You push up as strong as possible. Okay. Give me everything you've got. Okay. Okay? Okay, let's test it out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Very powerful. Alright? Let's try this out. We're gonna do the same thing, but this time, when we start, I want you to say, I can't do this. I know that's not your character, but let's try it. Okay? 1, 2, 3. You tried.
No, I didn't. Okay, I have to say I can't do it.
You say I can't do this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Even worse this time. Okay. This time I want you to say inside of your head, he can't do this, he's only trying. And I want you to say it inside of your head in the most powerful voice inside of your head. Like imagine you're a lion. 1, 2, 3. Totally different. Okay, now his hands is tired. Okay? Give him a round of applause. Okay. Now, did he have the power in the beginning? Was there power?
Yes.
Yes.
Because he came determined.
When he said, I can't do this, what was he unconsciously saying to his muscles, his shoulder muscle?
That you cannot do it. You cannot carry.
I cannot.
Don't try so hard.
Don't try so hard.
You can't do this. Now, how many areas in your life have you said to yourself, different areas in your life? You've said that.
Yeah, especially when I was getting my third license.
How many times did you do the test?
3, 4.
3, 4 times. Because you were saying that. You made it your self-fulfilling prophecy. Now, he only said it to himself one time. Imagine what's going on with your results if you've been saying it for 20 years.
Every day.
Every time.
What happens? His muscles became literally weak by saying it once. You've been saying something to yourself every day. Oh, I'm not good enough. Who am I? I can't achieve this target. Oh my God, the economy is horrible. It's really bad here. My manager hates me. You're gonna see it. when you say something to yourself over and over and over, you start looking for evidence for it. That's the problem. You don't try to disprove yourself, you try to prove you're right. You've been doing this for ages. Some of the voices inside of your head are not even your voice, they're someone else's voice. I'll give you an example. A little kid, 3 years old, makes a mistake. His older brother tells him, "Oh, you stupid idiot." He does the mistake again. Stupid idiot. Does the mistake third time. What does he say to himself?
Stupid idiot.
And then he grows up, going into the world saying, "I'm a stupid idiot." Starts believing that he's a stupid idiot. He starts acting like a stupid idiot. People start reacting to him like he's a stupid idiot. Some of the things that you are saying to yourself, you've heard it from people that you admired and respected, and they didn't see the same vision, and they told you it's not possible. I'm gonna grow up and become a CEO. You're gonna become a CEO? Come on, don't think that. You're never gonna become a CEO. Don't do that to yourself. No, never gonna become a CEO.
Don't fool yourself.
Don't we do that? We do that.